Hi students, in the last class we have studied vector spaces and solved one example on vector spaces. Okay, prove that V equals set of A plus B root 2 such that A and B belongs to Q, where Q is the set of all rationals field Q is a vector space under usual addition and scalar multiplication. Here set V is given. Here we have to show that V is a vector space over Q. Let V equals set of A plus B root 2 such that A and B belongs to Q. Okay, take any elements, three elements. Let alpha, beta, gamma are the elements of V. That is alpha equals A1 plus B1 root 2. Beta equals A2 plus B2 root 2. Gamma equals A3 plus B3 root 2. Here first, to show that V is a vector space, for the very first condition we have to show that V is abelian group under addition. First take alpha and beta are the elements of V. Then we have to show that alpha plus beta is also element of V. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is A1 plus B1 root 2 plus beta A2 plus B2 root 2. A1 plus A2 plus B1 root 2 plus B2 root 2. Root 2 common. B1 plus B2. This is also belongs to V because this is of the form A plus B root 2 belongs to V. Therefore, V is closed under addition. For every alpha, beta, gamma belongs to V such that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals alpha plus beta plus gamma. First take LHS. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equals alpha A1 plus B1 root 2 plus flower bracket beta A2 plus B2 root 2 plus gamma A3 plus B3 root 2 flower bracket complete. A1 plus B1 root 2 plus A2 plus A3 plus B2 root 2 plus B3 root 2 B2 plus B3 root 2. This can be written as A1 plus flower bracket A2 plus A3 plus B1 plus B2 plus B3 root 2 common. Root 2. This is root 2. Okay. A1 plus bracket A2 plus A3. This can be written as A1 plus A2 plus A3 because associative property holds good in set of rationals because A1, A2, A3 are rationals plus B1 plus B2 plus B3 can be written as B1 plus B2 plus B3 root 2. A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 into root 2 plus A3 plus B3 root 2. Now this can be written as A1 plus B1 root 2 plus A2 plus B2 root 2 plus last term A3 plus B3 root 2. This is alpha flower bracket or bracket alpha plus this is beta, alpha plus beta plus last term gamma. LHS equals RHS. Therefore, associative law holds under addition. Third one, let 0 equals 0 can be written as 0 plus 0 root 2 belongs to V such that alpha plus 0, alpha is A1 plus B1 root 2 plus 0 plus 0 root 2. A1 plus 0 plus B1 root 2 plus 0 root 2. B1 plus 0 root 2 common. A1 plus 0 is A1. B1 plus 0 is B1 root 2. This is alpha. Alpha plus 0 equals alpha. Similarly, 0 plus alpha equals alpha. Therefore, 0 is additive identity in V. Fourth one, for every alpha equals A1 plus B1 root 2 belongs to V, then there exists minus alpha equals minus A1 minus B1 root 2 belongs to V such that alpha plus of minus alpha equals A1 plus B1 root 2 plus minus alpha minus A1 minus B1 root 2. A1 plus of minus A1 plus B1 root 2 plus of minus B1 root 2. that is a1 minus a1 plus b1 root 2 minus b1 root 2 is 0. Therefore, minus alpha is additive inverse of alpha. Fifth one, consider alpha plus beta. Alpha a1 plus b1 root 2 plus beta a2 plus b2 root 2. a1 plus a2 plus b1 root 2 plus b2 root 2. a1 plus a2 can be written as a2 plus a1 plus this can be written as b2 root 2 plus b1 root 1 or a2 plus b2 root 2 plus a1 plus b1 root 2. This is beta, this is alpha, beta plus alpha. Therefore, commutative law holds in V. Therefore, V plus E is abelian group. Next, for every alpha belongs to V, C is element of Q such that C into alpha equals V. C into alpha equals C into alpha A1 plus B1 root 2. That is C into A1, C A1 plus C B1 root 2. This is also belongs to V. Therefore, V is closed under multiplication. Next, let's take any two elements alpha and beta belongs to V. C into alpha plus beta. C into A1 plus B1 root 2 plus A2 plus B2 root 2. A1 plus A2 plus B1 plus B2 root 2. B1 root 2 plus B2 root 2. C into A1, C A1 plus C B1 root 2. C A2 plus C B2 root 2. C common, C into A1 plus B1 root 2 plus again C common, C into A2 plus B2 root 2. That is C alpha plus C beta. Now take C1 plus C2 into alpha. C1 plus C2 alpha is A1 plus B1 root 2. C1 plus C2 into A1 plus C1 plus C2 into B1 root 2. C1 A1 plus C2 A1 plus C1 B1 root 2 plus C2 B1 root 2. Take C1 terms, C1 A1 plus C1 B1 root 2, C2 A1 plus C2 B1 root 2. C1 common, A1 plus B1 root 2 plus C2 common, A1 plus B1 root 2. This is alpha, C1 alpha plus C2 into this is alpha, C2 alpha. Third one, C1 C2 into alpha. C1 C2 alpha is A1 plus B1 root 2. C1 C2 into A1 plus C1 C2 into B1 root 2. C1, this can be written as C2 A1 plus C1 C2 B1 root 2. C1 common, take it outside. C2 A1 plus C2 B1 root 2. Again C2 common, C1 into C2 A1 plus B1 root 2. This is alpha, C2 alpha. Last condition, 1 into alpha equals 1 into A1 plus B1 root 2. 1 into A1 plus 1 into B1 root 2. 1 into A1 is A1 plus 1 into B1 root 2 is B1 root 2 equals this is alpha. Therefore, all adjuncts of vector space are satisfied. Therefore, V is a vector space over the field of rational numbers.